And now it is time for testing. The negative clamp to the negative of the battery and the positive to the positive of the battery here. And first, the P1 is the standard of the battery. There is standard, AGM, gel and EFB. I will choose standard because this battery is a standard battery. Next, we have to choose the standard of the starting current of the battery. It's EN for this one. And next, we have to choose the starting current, which is written on the top of the battery. For this battery is 420, but we can choose from, let's see, 50 amperes to almost 2000. I will turn it back to 420. And next we have to press test, and now testing. So here are some parameters that the tester shows us. This is the SOH, which stands for state of health. The battery is obviously bad, because here is written bad, because this is a very old battery, and the state of health is 50%. And we can choose the next value, which is the SOC, which stands for state of charge, which is 36% for this one, and it is 12.12 volts. And next, EDC, which is the starting current. It's to almost 300 from 420, which is written on top of the battery. And the internal resistance is very bad because it is 8.36 milliohms. This battery will have to be replaced soon, and now I know this because I have the tester. Without it, I'm only guessing if the battery is still good or not. I will leave a purchase link in the video's description. Thanks for watching, give it a thumb up and please subscribe for the channel.